Seniors, I want to ask you a very important question. When you walk through the grocery store, do you find yourself skipping the protein aisle because the prices have simply become too high? Or maybe you've been told that to keep your strength after 60, you need to spend hundreds of dollars on fancy protein powders and specialty meal replacements. I have some incredible news for you. That is a complete myth. The trillion-dollar fitness industry loves to push the idea that staying strong is a luxury. But the truth is that some of the most powerful muscle-building proteins are sitting quietly in the budget aisle, waiting for you. For the past 3 years, I've studied why some seniors remain remarkably strong, well into their 80s, while others struggle with weakness. The secret isn't a bigger bank account. It's choosing protein sources that the aging body can actually use. Today, I am sharing 7 affordable, high-protein foods, all under $3 per serving, that will help you rebuild muscle fast. And wait until we get to number 1 because it costs less than 50 cents and outperforms supplements that are 20 times the price. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what is the most expensive health food you've ever bought that didn't actually work? I read every single one of your stories. Let's start with canned sardines. I know some of you might cringe at the thought, but for a senior on a budget, these are a nutritional goldmine. At around $1.25 a can, you get 23 grams of complete protein. But it's not just about the protein. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which act like a shield against the low-grade inflammation that eats away at our muscle tissue as we age. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate small fatty fish twice a week maintained their grip strength and walking speed much better than those who didn't. Plus, the soft, edible bones provide a massive boost of calcium for your own bone health. They are convenient, shelf-stable, and ready to be mashed onto toast or tossed into a salad. It's high-end nutrition for a fraction of the cost. Next is a classic that deserves a comeback: cottage cheese. For about $2.50 a container, you get a massive 24 grams of protein per cup. What makes cottage cheese special is its high concentration of casein. Unlike other proteins that rush through your system, casein is a slow-release protein. It drips amino acids into your bloodstream for several hours. This is vital for us because as we age, our muscles become a bit resistant to protein. By eating a serving of cottage cheese, especially before bed, you are essentially feeding your muscles while you sleep, allowing them to repair and grow during the night. Go for the full-fat version. Those healthy fats actually help your body absorb vitamin D, which is the fuel your muscles need to perform. Then we have lentils. These might be the best deal in the entire store. For under $1.50 a pound, you get a powerhouse of protein, iron, and B vitamins. Many seniors feel weak or fatigued and think it's just old age, but it's often a mild iron deficiency. Lentils bridge that gap. They also contain leucine, the specific amino acid that acts as a trigger for muscle growth. While they are a plant protein, when you pair them with grains or nuts throughout the day, they provide everything your body needs to stay firm and stable. They are easy to digest, quick to cook, and their high fiber content ensures your gut is healthy enough to actually absorb all that nutrition. Another incredible option is canned tuna. At roughly $1 per can, you are getting 22 grams of pure, lean protein. Tuna is incredible because its protein is highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs over 90% of it, even after age 70. For seniors who want to build lean muscle without adding extra body fat, Tuna is the perfect tool. It's naturally low in calories but hits every single essential amino acid your muscles are craving. Just remember to choose tuna packed in water to keep it lean and rotate it with your sardines to keep your mineral levels balanced and safe. Moving on, we have perhaps the most perfect food ever created: the whole egg. At about 20 cents an egg, you are getting the highest quality protein of any whole food on the planet. But here is the catch: you must eat the yolk. Half of the protein and all the vitamin D and choline are found in that yellow center. A study from the University of Illinois showed that seniors who ate whole eggs after exercise saw 40% more muscle growth than those who only ate the whites. The fats in the yolk act like a delivery system for the protein. Eggs are versatile, easy to chew, and the choline inside supports the mind-muscle connection, keeping you steady and coordinated on your feet. We also must talk about Greek yogurt. This is a must-have because it offers a dual-action protein hit. It contains fast-digesting whey to start building muscle immediately and slow-digesting casein to keep the process going. At about 80 cents a serving, it also provides probiotics. Why does that matter? Because a healthy gut is the foundation of a strong body. If your digestion is sluggish, it doesn't matter how much protein you eat, it won't reach your muscles. Greek yogurt fixes that. Seniors who eat it regularly have been shown to improve their walking speed and leg strength in just 12 weeks. Stick to the plain, full-fat versions to avoid the inflammatory sugars found in flavored brands. Finally, we reach the ultimate budget muscle builder: the humble dried bean. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, these are the secret to longevity. For just 10 cents a serving, you are getting a massive dose of protein, potassium, and magnesium. A 5-year study found that seniors who ate beans regularly had higher physical function and fewer hospitalizations from falls. They are anti-inflammatory, they protect your heart, and they provide sustained energy that doesn't crash. You can cook them in bulk, freeze them, and add them to almost any meal at less than 1 cent per gram of protein. They are the single best investment you can make in your independence. Think about what that word independence really means. It means being able to carry your own groceries without asking for help. It means having the leg strength to stand up from a low chair with ease. It means walking through the park with a steady gait and a clear mind. We often think that these things require a miracle or a fortune, but your body is much humbler than that. It doesn't care about the fancy label on a supplement bottle or the high price of a boutique steak. It only cares about getting the amino acids and the minerals it needs to repair your tissues and keep your fire burning. Building muscle after 60 isn't about how much money you spend, it's about how smart you shop. You don't need a $100 tub of powder to stay strong. You just need a bag of beans, a carton of eggs, and a little bit of consistency. Every time you choose one of these 7 foods, you are investing in your ability to walk, to lift your grandchildren, and to live life on your own terms. We are living in a time where we are told that health is expensive, but the strongest seniors I have ever met are the ones who return to the basics: eggs, beans, yogurt, and simple fish. This week, I challenge you to pick just 2 of these foods and add them to your routine. Don't try to change everything at once. That is how routines fail. Start with a simple bean soup for dinner or a daily hard-boiled egg as a mid-morning snack. Pay attention to how your body responds. You might notice that you recover faster from a long day or that your energy doesn't dip as much in the late afternoon. These are the small signals that your muscles are finally getting the fuel they've been waiting for. Thank you for being such a vital part of our global family here at the Seniors Routine. We believe that aging is a privilege and that strength is a choice we make every single day at the kitchen table. If this video helped you see that a vibrant, strong life is within your reach and your budget, please hit the like button and share it with a friend who might be feeling discouraged by the rising cost of health. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip for a radiant life. Take a look at the next video on your screen to keep learning how to nourish the incredible body you live in. Stay strong, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next one.